Hello students, another question of discussion is what is family and what are the functions of family. Family, as we all know, it's a very important institution in our social structure. Family is all about the two adult members having a child, and the linkage is being done by through emotional bonds and structure. Family help us in our development from the childhood stage to the last stage of our life. It provides various types of supports emotionally, financially, security, socialization for the development of an individual. Family is the first step in which an individual inculcates all the values of the socialization. Family is always as a guiding towards the individual that what are the societal norms, what the culture, what the trend, what the rituals is all about. This is basically the introduction. Now we move towards that what are the functions of a family. Family play a very important role in the development of a human being. Family basically provides these functions. What are these? We discuss one by one. First is of the economic. The economic structure is all about family is providing all the basic needs of an individual in the forms of food, clothes, water and shelter, education and all sorts of the financial assistance and development. It is the duty of the father and mother to provide economically self-sufficient and giving all the facilities to their children for their survival also as well as necessity for their development also. Next function of the family is socialization. What the socialization is all about? In our society, having different types of religion is being practiced, different types of festival is being there. The family which inculcates the value within us that in a particular society, what the particular behavior we opt and how we follow the particular norms and system, what about the culture, what basically the relationships, different relationships in the particular structure we have. This is all about the socialization aspect given by the family, giving individuals initiate from his birth to his death stage. The second function of the family is all about the socialization aspects, inculcates value and guiding the individual about the norms, behavior, rituals and the society. Third function is all about the procreation. Family, new members come, other members leave because of die, because of migrate from one place to another. So in the family, members may arrive because of the sexual gratification between the two people. So family is all about the procreation of adding new members and replacing old members. And the last is sexual gratification, how the family is being come. The two adult members meet together, having the sexual relationship and after that children being emerged. So this constitutes the whole family structure. In India, there are various sorts of the family, nuclear family, joint family. Joint family we see in traditional society, people living together, sharing their common goals and objectives. But with the span of time, where in a larger modern industrial society, the people migrate from their places for jobs, setting up their career, establishment in their life. So now, in today's modern era, there is being a trend of the nuclear family is being practicing with the spread of the modernization and industrialization. Thank you.